Good day mga ka-AXS grinders. Update tayo for today, Saturday, December 7. So let's start first with our AXS price. So sa AXS, meron tayong $9.43 worth na presyo ng AXS today. Tumaas siya ng 1.26%. And moving to our play to rise. And under daily bounties, standard board. So Atia 10 points, all goods. Classic battle 35 points, all goods. And Origin 35 points, winning one battle. So for this week, meron na tayong total points of 480 points with an estimated amount of 0.15 AXS. And moving to our Premier board. So for Premier board, winning one classic game, that's gonna be 19 points. And winning one Origins game, that's gonna be 12 points. So for the whole week, under Premier, we already have 2,317 points with an estimated AXS earning of 0.69. Now moving to our staking. Okay, so the AXS is still the same, 33.38219 AXS with an estimated amount of $314.49. And meron tayong claimable rewards na 0.098488 AXS, which will be collected this coming Wednesday. And nga pala, nakuha ko na yung aking mga Axie. So basically, pinahiram ko muna sa kapatid ko to, so since it's been playing Axie as well. So nakuha ko na yung iba. And meron pang natira na pinahiram ko sa kapatid ko na 3 Axies. So far, I got like 46 Axies sa ngayon. Okay, so I'm preparing to like sell these pag tumaas na yung presyo. Siyempre mag-iiwan ako ng tatlong team. Ano ba yung tatlong team na iiwan ko? First would be AAP. Sobrang importante na sa akin yan. Medyo meron na siyang historical value. And then I also have the Poison team. I also have that historical value no, sa Classic. And then yung pinakamahal na team ko, which is yung Gadrep. So yeah, those are the 3 teams na naiiwan ko. And then I'm gonna sell the rest so that it will increase yung so para makapaldo naman tayo sa Axie natin, ano? So yun lang yung options ngayon. So far, what's the game plan this coming bull run? So what are my comments? No, basically ang base sa pag-aaral, no, once the Bitcoin loses its dominance, so the rest of the investors will go to the Ethereum. So that's actually good because we do hold Ethereum, and it's in leverage, and Ethereum affects the price of AXS and Ronin. So we both have Ronin and AXS that's already staking, so hopefully it will pump and of course take profit whenever the chance is open. So always take profit. So okay, that's good. Thank you for following, and comments na rin.